The background wasn't disturbing, dear. Samiksha, tell me, what is the color of water?
Color of water, blue.
Wow. I discussed this in the last lecture also. Water has... Okay, listen over here now. Water has no color. It is colorless. Okay, Samiksha? Water
Yes,
has
teacher.
no color. Do not wish anything in the chat box. Do not write anything in the chat box, children. So the water is colorless. Water has no color. Yes or no, children? We had learned this in the last lecture. Now, question. Can anyone tell me how can we clean the water? How can the drinking water be kept clean? Anyone raise your hand if you know? Okay, many of the students know this. Great. Come on, Janvi, tell me. How can we keep the water clean?
Yes. टीचर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
How can we keep the water clean?
We boil the water.
Arna, yes, boiling water, yes, we boil the water so that the water will be clean. Yes or no? The dirt, everything will be gone by boiling the water. Next, what was the method I told you in the last lecture, in the last lesson? Yes, children? Boiling water was one method to clean the water. Second method, anyone remember? How can we clean the water?
टीचर
Yes, bolo.
टीचर हमारे लास्ट लेक्चर फोर्थ लेक्चर था ना लेसन.
Yes.
टीचर मैं फोर्थ लेसन नहीं थी और थर्ड.
Okay, okay. So you should watch the recording, Raja. Okay? On the YouTube. Come on.
यूट्यूब पे आएगा ना.
Ah, beta, it has already came. Please check it out. Come on, tell me. The students have unmute. Tell me fast. How can we clean the water? What is the other method I have told you? Fast. Boiling was the first method we had discussed in the last lecture. What was the second method?
We purify the water.
Yes, we can purify the water. And what else? How can we purify the water? By filtering it, right? What was the next method? The use of alum. Everyone remember that alum?
Yes, teacher.
मैंने कहा बताया था आपको पिक्चर भी दिखाया था. What was that? Alum. What we have to do about that alum? We have to just swirl in the water. हमें बस उसे पानी में घुमाना होता है. And the dirt of the water settles down. Okay. So these are the 2 to 3 methods we had seen to clean the water. Yes or no? Now you have to tell me where you store the water. आप मुझे बताओ आप लोग पानी कहाँ पर स्टोर करते हो? आपके घर में जो आपका पीने का पानी होता है, जो आपका यूज करने का पानी होता है, the water you use in your household, where you store the water. Okay, copper filter. Manasvi is saying me that she stores the water in the copper filter. Very good. Other children, tell me. Yes, where you?
Teacher, pot.
Okay.
Teacher.
Yes, children, bolo. Where you store the water?
Hello, teacher.
Okay. Write in the chat box. I have seen the chat box. Many of the children are saying they store the water in the filter, then pot, then copper filter, tank. Very good. So these are the things where we store the water. Now, in your textbook of lesson number 5, can you see the first page? Yes, children, are you able to see the first page of your textbook? Lesson number 5. You can see 4 to 5 pictures, 4 to 5 things where they store the water. Okay. I will also share it with you. No need to show the textbook over here. Look over here. Water for every household, lesson number 5. You can see the first picture. What is the first picture? कौन सा पिक्चर है फर्स्ट, कोई बताएगा मुझे? Yes, what's the first picture about? Rohit, you have got the chance. Next child, Ashka, tell me. What is the first picture about? कौन सा है first picture? क्या है वो?
There is a pot.
Okay, there is a pot, but what it is made up of?
Steel.
Steel. Is it made up of steel? Other students?
Teacher,
Sorry, teacher, it is made of mud.
Yes, it is made up of mud and clay. No, it is an earthen pot. Yes or no? इसे हम लोग मटका कहते हैं. You all know, everybody have, some of the students will have this at your home also. इसमें पानी
Yes.
रहता है. Yes or no? It is earthen pot. What it is called it as?
Earthen pot.
Earthen pot. Okay. So in this, the water is stored. The second picture you all can see, this is also made up of mud. It is a small pot. Yes or no? And it has a lid above. You can see the lid. आपको lid दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes or no? And
Yes.
उसके बाद में तो एक small उन्होंने hole type किया है जिसमें से हम लोग पानी निकाल सकते हैं. Okay. And because of this, the water does not get contaminated. Okay, contaminated मतलब dirty. Okay, if we do not if we do not pour our hand in the water will not get dirty. हमारे हाथ की गंदगी पानी में मिक्स हो जाएगी. Yes or no? So there is a tap-like system to the muddy clay pot. Okay, see over here. Next picture, contaminated का मतलब होता है गंदा होना, dirty होना. Okay, the third picture, what it is about? Can anyone tell me? Shlok, tell me. Daksh, tell me. What the picture is about? What the picture shows you?
Tank.
Tank. This is a tank.
Filter.
Filter. And what it is made up of? It is made up of clay.
Plastic. Plastic.
Plastic. Very good. So it is made up of plastic. Yes. So in the plastic container also we store the water. The next picture you can see over here. It is a tank. बराबर ना, ऐसा tank है सभी के घर में जिसमें हम लोग water store करते हैं. Yes. So it is made up of. It is also made up of plastic, right?
Yes.
Yes. So there are containers of which are made up of clay, which are made up of plastic, which are made up of steel, in which we store our water. And everyone, these are the materials. ये materials होते हैं जिससे ये सारी चीजें बनती है और हम लोग पानी को store करने के लिए use करते हैं. Understood? The next picture, are you able to see? What is it? Manasvi, you told me now only, yes?
It is a
Yes, Vaishnavi. See over here. This pot is made up of copper.
copper.
किससे बनाया है? Copper से बनाया हुआ है. Okay, when we drink the water of this copper pot, our body gets iron. ठीक है, हमारे body को iron मिलता है इससे. Next, this is a small tank of steel. ये तो सभी के घर में होगा. Yes or no? In this we store the water for using of our household. हमारे घर के काम के लिए या फिर हमारे कोई लोग इसमें पीने का पानी भी store करते हैं. Yes or no? So this is made up of steel. Now children, we have seen three things. One, the vessels which are made up of mud, clay. The second one is made up of filter of plastic. And the third is steel. Okay, so ये तीन मटेरियल से वाटर के कंटेनर्स बनते हैं. क्या बनते हैं? क्या बनते हैं वाटर के? कंटेनर. Why it is called as containers? Because it contains the water. Okay, वो पानी को स्टोर करता है. इसे हम लोग उसे क्या कहते हैं? Container. Everyone repeat after me the word container. Yes, okay. And the second word which we saw, the new word was contaminated. Everyone repeat after me, contaminated. Contaminated means the water gets dirty. So to prevent the water to get contaminated, we boil the water, then we use alum, Yes or no? Then we filter the water. Then some people use a purifier. सबको पता है वो एक्वासॉल का प्यूरिफायर होता है, उसमें वाटर पूरा फिल्टर होकर आता है. There is a machine type system in that. Everybody has seen that? Yes, in that also the water gets filtered. Clear? Everyone understood till here? Show me a thumb if you understood. Okay, very good. Whose background noise is disturbing over here? And please sit at a proper place where no voice should disturb you. Okay, chalo. Moving further. Next picture. Now we saw 5 to 6 things where we can store the water. आपके grandparents से अगर आप पूछोगे तो most of the grandparents will tell you that we used to store the water in this copper containers. ऐसे बड़े बड़े copper के, जैसे ये steel का है ना, वैसे copper के भी बड़े बड़े tanks होते थे, and in that they used to store the water. Okay, understood everyone? It is made up of copper or brass. Okay, next picture. See over here. अभी यहाँ पर आपको एक छोटा सा earthen pot दिख रहा है, and there is a dipper in that. Okay, what it is called it as? Dipper. Just a minute, I'll show you one more picture of that dipper. See over here. Can you see the dipper over here? Why the dipper is used? Can anyone tell me? Why the dipper is used, children? हम लोग ऐसे डायरेक्टली भी पानी ले सकते हैं ना टैंक में से, ऐसे डिपर क्यों यूज किया जाता है? Yes, children. Why the dipper is used?
Because hello teacher.
Yes, बोलो.
ठीक है कहने. Because because of the water we can afford to store the water
Wait. What's happening over here? Stop, children. One at a time, I told. Okay. Just a minute. See, the dipper is used so that the other water will not get contaminated. ये जो डिपर है, इससे हम लोग इस टैंक में से पानी डायरेक्टली निकाल सकते हैं. See over here, इसको एक ऐसा पकड़ने के लिए हम है ना स्टैंड टाइप, तो इससे हम लोग पानी डायरेक्टली निकाल सकते हैं. अगर हम लोग हमारे हैंड से पानी निकालेंगे, if we take a glass and we pour the hands in the water will get contaminated. I explained the word to you. Contaminated means the water will get dirty. So there is a dipper system. Okay. Second thing, या तो फिर अगर आपके घर में डिपर नहीं है तो what we should use? Tap system. आप जिसमें से भी पानी पीते हो, there should be a tap. See over here, जैसे कि इस पिक्चर में देखो, ये कॉपर का जो फिल्टर है मेरे पास, ये फिल्टर को टैप लगाया हुआ है. So whenever I will open the tap, I will get the water. Yes or no? And the other water which is in the tank not get dirty. Understood everyone? So there should be a tap like system to the water we drink. Understood everyone? Next. Now our textbook. Everyone open your textbook, children. In the textbook, as I showed you the picture of that mud like, wait a minute, I'll show you now only. Wait. तो अगर आपके जो मड का जो पॉट है उसके ऊपर जो लीड होता है ना, जो हम लोग ढक्कन रखते हैं, that we should change every now and then, every 4 to 5 hours after we have to change that lid. Why we should change the lid? Can anyone tell me? जो लीड होता है आपके मटके के ऊपर या आपके पॉट के ऊपर, वो आपने क्यों चेंज करना चाहिए? Yes, children. जो lid होता है उसके ऊपर dust बैठ जाता है, and when we do not change the lid of that pot, the mud gets mixed with the water and we can cause diseases because of it. Understood everyone? So every now and then we should change the lid and put a clean lid over the pot. Understood, everyone? Next picture. See, there should be a tap-like system so that the other water will not get contaminated, as we discussed previously only. This was the care of drinking water. हमने क्या देखा कि जो पानी हम लोग पीते हैं उसका हम लोग कैसे ध्यान रखें, कि उसका लीड बार बार चेंज करें, उसे टैप सिस्टम होना चाहिए या तो फिर उसमें डिपर होना चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट थिंग, see over here, if the water gets contaminated, suppose कभी आपका पानी खराब हो गया, so what can we do the dirty water? Should we what should we do about the dirty water? हम लोग उस पानी को क्या कर सकते हैं? कुछ यूज कर सकते हैं उस पानी का? सपोज आपका पीने का पानी खराब हो गया, what can we do for it? Yes, Ashka, Mansi, Arnav, tell me, Janvi. If the drinking water gets dirty, आस्था बताओ मुझे, अगर आपका पीने का पानी डर्टी हो गया तो आप उस पानी को रीयूज कर सकते हो क्या?
Yes.
Can you all make reuse of it?
Yes.
What?
Give the water to the plants.
Okay, we can give the water to the plants, and what else we can do? We can use it for washing
We can
utensils.
wash the utensils.
Okay. Next, Arnav. What can we do, Advait? Advait is saying something. How can we use the water? Tell me, Advait. Yes, Advait.
Clean bathroom. Yes, teacher.
Yes. How can we use the water?
Hello. For drinking, washing utensils,
Okay. So we can use the water for washing utensils. Okay. Then we can use it for watering plants. See the child, see the girl, what she is doing? She is using the drinking water which has became dirty. She is using for washing utensils. Then she is watering the plants by the water. Then what she is doing? She is using the water for cooking also. So whenever the drinking water becomes dirty, we can use the water for watering plants. We should not waste the water. Understood, everyone? Yes. Now, have you remember कि sometimes your mother tells you that the water has become stale. मतलब कि suppose आज हमने कोई पानी भर दिया है तो हम लोग कल use नहीं कर सकते. Have you heard this? Yes, children? Yes. So whenever it is just a myth, if you have, अगर आप लोग ने वो जो पानी है कल भरा हुआ है तो वो आप लोग next day use कर सकते हो. It doesn't become stale. It's simply that the water is, you are wasting the water. Okay. Next point. Water distribution in the house. Now children, the children who are living in buildings, is there any cement-like system on your terrace? आपके टेरिस पर ऐसा कुछ है क्या? Yes, children. ऐसा कुछ है आपके टेरिस पर या फिर ऐसा कोई टैंक वगैरह प्लास्टिक का टैंक आपके टेरिस के ऊपर है? Yes, children. I'll lower your hands. Wait. Tell me one by one. Do you have such tanks, such plastic tanks, cement tanks आपके घर के ऊपर है टेरिस पर? Yes. So with the tank, the water comes to your houses. Directly तो पानी आपके घर पर नहीं आता होगा, right, children? Yes, Anvi, tell me. Mansi, tell me. Does these systems have?
I have tank. I have two
Okay.
tanks. I
Two
have
tanks.
also tank.
Good. So
I
yes,
have
your
one
tank
tank.
is
In my terrace, I have tank.
at your terrace. Okay, good. So children, ये जो tanks होते हैं ना, ये tanks में pipes होते हैं. You can see the pipe system over here, and with the help of the pipes, the water comes to your houses. Textbook, there is one picture. See in your textbook, children. देखो, ये जो हम लोग ने ये वाला tank देखा था, देखो, this one tank, which is at your house. Yes.
Yes.
So, overhead tank. ये जो टैंक्स आपके बिल्डिंग के ऊपर होते हैं या तो प्लास्टिक के बने होते हैं या तो सीमेंट के बने होते हैं. Okay, and from there the water comes to your flats, to your homes. How does it come? With the help of pipe. कैसे आते हैं वो आपके घर तक पानी? Because of the pipe. पाइप का जो कनेक्शन होता है वो पानी वहां से आपके घर पर आता है. See over here. This is the overhead tank. Look very, very carefully. Very, very important topic, children. See, this is the overhead tank. Overhead tank means जो टैंक में पानी भरा है आपने, जिसका पिक्चर मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया. Okay. See, now from here it is connected towards your washroom, then towards your washroom, towards your kitchen. See over here the second connection of the pipe. Are you able to see the second connection? Yes. So many of the pipes are connected to the overhead tank. See the overhead tank, you can see it is fully filled of water. देखो ये overhead tank पूरा पानी से भरा हुआ है. And then it is connected towards your houses, towards all the things where the tap connection is there. आपके घर में wash basin का connection होगा, वॉशरूम में जो टैप होगा उसका कनेक्शन होगा, गीजर का कनेक्शन होगा. यू कैन सी द इलेक्ट्रिक गीजर ओवर हियर. आर यू एबल टू सी द इलेक्ट्रिक गीजर ओवर हियर? यस. From the overhead tank, the water goes to the geyser and then it gets warm and then the water comes to you. Understood, everyone? So with the help of the overhead tank and pipe, the water is supplied to your house. Understood the water supply at your house, children? Show me a thumb if you understood. See, they are made up of cement or plastic. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया. Okay. Next thing. Everybody understood overhead tank? From how the overhead tank, the water comes to your houses? Good. Next, we are going to see water supply for a human settlement. Now tell me, ये जो पानी यहाँ पर आता है, यहाँ पर जो पानी आता है यहाँ से, ये जो पानी यहाँ पर आता है, ये पानी कहाँ से आता है? From where does the water come in this tank? Can anyone tell me? ये जो टैंक में पानी, आपको इतना समझ में आ गया कि from the tank the water comes to your houses, but where does the water come to the tank? टैंक में पानी कहाँ से आता होगा? Any idea? टैंक में पानी कैसे आता है बच्चों? डैम से. अब्दुल कह रहा है डैम से आता है. और राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स चिल्ड्रन. रेन. ओके. बट डैम्स तो क्लोज है, जो हमारे जो टैंक है वो क्लोज है, वो वहां पर पानी कैसे आता है? You're somewhat closer to the answer. Tell me, everyone. I want everyone to write in the chat box. Not only 2 to 3 students. Everyone's answer should be in the chat box. Pipes. Through the pipes, we can supply the water. River. Okay. Yes. See over here, children. जैसे कि आप लोग ने मुझे बताया कि from the lake, from the reservoirs, from the ponds. See, इससे हमें पानी मिलता है. Yes or no? But from here there is a big connection of pipes. बहुत सारे pipes जो होते हैं इनसे connect किए जाते हैं. And then with the connection, the water comes to your water tank. See over here. देखो कितना बड़ा connection है. यहाँ पर आपका पानी है, देन यहाँ पर सेडिमेंट फिल्टर्स. ओके. सी इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक आपको एक वाटर सेटलमेंट का पिक्चर दिया गया है. सी ओवर हियर, दिस इज योर वाटर रिजर्वॉयर एंड फ्रॉम हियर द वाटर इज सेंट टू द वाटर टॉवर. वाटर टॉवर के बारे में आपको बताती हूँ. एंड देन द वाटर कम्स टू योर बिल्डिंग. अंडरस्टूड? सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाइप द वाटर कम्स फ्रॉम द रिजर्वॉयर टू द वाटर tower. Now children, you can see a picture of this. सभी ने ये ऐसा कुछ देखा है? बदलापुर में भी है ऐसा. Water tower कहते हैं इसे. Have you seen this? Yes children. It is known as the water tower. In this water tower, the water is stored. Okay children, water जो है इसमें store किया जाता है and From the water tower, the water is sent to the buildings. You can see over here. जो water tower होता है, from the water tower, the water is sent to the buildings, to the flats over here. Okay. Now, अब मुझे बताओ, आप लोग water downwards तो ले सकते हो. How can you get the water upward? जैसे कि water tower में पानी ऊपर कैसे चढ़ता होगा? Yes, you all know that water comes downwards with the help of pipes. बराबर? Now, how does the water goes on such a height? पाइप की मदद से कैसे निमेश? Rain? No. See children. Now, yes, motor. Very good, Rugved. मोटर जो होती है ना, उसके मदद से पानी ऊपर के टैंक में आता है. Okay, with the help of electricity. If you all know, आप लोग ने सुना होगा कि मोटर चालू कर दो, मोटर ऑन कर दो तो पानी ऊपर आ जाएगा, ऊपर के टैंक में आ जाएगा. So with the help of motor, the water is lifted up. इतने बड़े हाइट पर पानी कैसे जाता होगा? आपके टेरिस तो कितनी हाइटेड है? Yes or no? इतने हाइट पर पानी कैसे जाता है? Pipes, right? But with the help of motors. Okay. Now, what kind of motors are there? The motors are run on two types: electricity and diesel. Yes, I'm showing you the picture also. Look over here. With the help of motor, the water is sent to the your tanks. Machines used for lifting water are called pumps. जो मोटर होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? देखो मोटर का पिक्चर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है यहाँ पर. इस मोटर को हम क्या कहते हैं? Everyone repeat after me. Pump. See, the boy is thinking over here. How can water go to up to such a height? How is water stored in the tank? जो इतने ऊपर टैंक्स होते हैं टेरिस पर, इतने ऊपर तक पानी कैसे जाता है? पाइप से तो जाता है, बट कुछ फोर्स चाहिए ना उसके लिए. So the pumps help to store the water. Now the pumps run on electricity. You all can see the two things. The pumps run on two types, electricity और diesel. हमारे यहाँ पर electricity की मोटर होती है सभी के buildings में. Yes or no? लाइट आ गई, आप लोग मोटर ऑन करते हो and then the water goes up with the help of pump. The water pumps. Yes. We were talking about water pumps. Can you see the screen? सभी को water pump दिखाई दे रहा है? ऋतुराज? Yes. So with the help of water pumps, the water goes up to the tank. Now what is this picture about, children? ये picture किसका है? Hello. Am I audible properly? What is this picture about? Anyone tell me? Yes, it is a hand pump. Very good. Previously we had learned about this कि जो ground water होता है वो हम लोग water pump से ले सकते हैं. Yes or no? But now is it possible? No. So there is a system of pumps, and with the help of pumps we can take the water. Okay, children. Next point. Now, see over here. You can see the reservoir over here. सभी को reservoir दिख रहा है? Yes, children. See over here the reservoir. Then from the reservoir, the water is sent to the water purification center. अभी देखो ये तो बारिश का पानी होता है. It is very much dirty, and so the water is sent to the water purification center, and from the water purification center the water is purified. जो भी dirty water होता है उसे machines के मदद से purify किया जाता है, and then it is sent to the water tower जहाँ पर water हमारा store होता है village का, and then from the water tower, देखो जरा water tower दिख रहा है सभी को screen पर? Yes. See on the water tower there are 3 to 4 pipes connected. 3 से 4 पाइप वहाँ पर connected है. And then from the water tower the water is sent to the buildings, to the other houses. See over here how the water is sent to different places. यहाँ पर houses है, यहाँ पर buildings है. So from the water tower the water is sent to all such places. Understood till over here how the water is how the water is stored, how the water is sent with the help of pipes, and then from the water tower the water is sent to the buildings, to the houses. I hope you understood this process. Anybody is having any doubt? In the water purification center the water is purified with the help of machines. Machines की मदद से water purify किया जाता है. Okay children, I hope you understood the lesson. Any doubt anyone is having? Okay, good. Show me a thumb if you understood till here.